So interior is not too bad. The headliner's falling down, but that's all right. We'll get a new one. Big dumb mirrors, big old box. And I think it's a dump bed, judging by how it looks under here. But we'll find out more about that later. All right, we got her chained up. Nice, she came out real nice. Here's more of the front. I am really excited. Let's see what this side looks like. Oh, she looks good. All right, let's get her, let's get the tow truck in front and straighten her out. Just a little peek underneath. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but the engine's dry. No big oil leaks. Training looks good. And I'm pretty sure this is a dump bed. I'm pretty sure. I don't know, I've never had a dump bed before. But it looks dumpy. You know what's great about hauling a truck is that people tend to stay way the fuck off your ass. That is just wild. Yeah, it's pretty clean up under there. Let's take a better look at this dump bed and see if we can actually get eyes on a cylinder or something. So I see hydraulic lines. There it is. That big thing right there in the middle. That's a hydraulic lift. Right on. Look at this thing. What a behemoth. It also ate my ramp. We'll get that back in a second. Huge, absolutely huge. Oh man, what a mess. But that motor looks really good. Fuel filter's on upside down. There's a rat turd hanging by spider web. Nasty. But overall, this thing really looks great. Like it's not even leaky or nothing. Okay. Well, let's put a battery in it and see what she does. No sparks. She cranks, so that's good. Let's check oils. Let's see what she looks like. Oh wow, it's got some good oil in it. Sweet. Get in there. Okay. There's our coolant. Oh, very old radiator cap. It's wet in there, but it's not up to level. Let's put some fuel down the carb. Oh, nice. Wow. All right, that looks pretty good in there. Oh wow, it even has this still. Okay, cool. Well, if this will get up out of the way, it's got a couple vacuum lines to it, but that carburetor looks pretty good too. Sweet. Let's dump some fuel on it. Let's just give her a little splash. Ooh, nice. My guess is that it's gonna fire right up. Let's see. She runs! And then this stuff is causing it to sound like that. Let's get some pliers. Okay, let's get these up and out of the way. Come here. Out you go. All right, who's next? You. Oh, this thing's long. Oh, it's right there. Okay. So now we got to fill up the carburetor bowl and get it to idle and see if it will pump fuel from whichever tank it's pumping fuel from. Let's see. She's running. She sounds good. Okay, she revved up a little bit. She runs pretty good. She sounds pretty good. I think it's going to need some fuel in whichever fuel tank it's pulling from. It's got two of them. One's a big can on the side. I don't know if you guys saw. I'll show you. And then the other one's a nice big tank. So let's Let's see. So here's one of the tanks. That one's empty. And here's the other tank that sneaks down into the back. So let's go and get some fuel at the gas station and see if that does it. Okay, that should be plenty for the fuel pump to pick it up, hopefully. Let's give it a go. So since I can't tell what fuel tank I'm on and how much fuel and all that stuff, I made this little thing. I'm gonna hook it up to the fuel pump, dunk it into my gas tank and see if the fuel pump's working. And if it is, then great. I'm just having trouble figuring out which tank to run off of with the selector switch. And that'll rule out the fuel pump being bad. Here we are, up underneath. I got the fuel line disconnected because that was a pain in the butt. So now we're gonna slide our new fuel line, our testing fuel line, right up on there. Perfect. And I tell you guys, look at this. Nice blue. No leaks down the side. This is a nice setup. Well taken care of. She's gonna serve well. Okay, now we got our fuel line and we're gonna dunk it on in there. And I can see for sure that it's submerged in fuel. Let's see if the fuel pump pumps now. Yeah, I don't see it pumping. Since the fuel pump was a bust for now, let's see if the dump bed, yeah, that thing, dump. Didn't see a hydraulic tank, so I think it's electric. It operates off of power instead of PTO, so let's see. Pretty sure that's the switch right there. Let's see. Oh, it did something. Okay.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I think it's got relays or something. Let's see if we could see anything from the inside. Okay, here we go. We gotta walk very, oh shit. All right, we're good. Walk very carefully now, because we could just fall through. Pretty sure these are spaced out like every like 1.5 feet or something like that. All right, I think the pump's like right here. Okay, so here's the hydraulic ram. Nice. Oh. Okay. Hydraulic ram. Okay. All right. The electricals must be under here. There they are. I see them. Haha! Found ya! Okay, and then there's hydraulic lines. Oh, this is too cool. Let's see if there's anything else. Okay, so here's our hydraulic tank. It's just a little guy. So that's our hydraulic tank, solenoid, pump motor. This must be power supply. Yes, so that's our power right there. So we take our handy dandy jump box, power it up. There we go, now she's live. We should get a response if we do this. Must be a bad ground. Let's put it straight to that. Here we go. Oh, it arced. Oh. Oh shit, oh, it lifted up. It lifted up. Oh, it's lifting up. Oh, here we go. Oh, so sweet. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, nice. Okay, it lifted up. Nice. Let's see if it works from the inside now. Look at that. It lifted up. That's so cool. Okay, I think down is up, right? Yeah, it goes up. It works. All right, let's see if she goes down before we get too crazy. Oh, there it is. Back up. Look at her go. Oh, hello? What was that? Who knows? We got our new fuel pump. All right, let's put her in. Come on. There we go. Look how long that thing is. Jeez. We're gonna slide our gasket on. Nice. New fuel filter installed. Hey, look at that. She's got fuel now. All right. She runs great. That's all her by herself. Look at that. All right, let's see how she throttles up. Got good oil pressure. Man, that thing is so quiet. Jeez. All right, guys, I've had her running here for quite a bit, maybe about 15-20 minutes. Fuel gauge works, oil pressure works. I'm gonna guess that the amp meter works and the temperature gauge works, so that's good. Now, I could go through everything, see if the lights and the wipers and all that stuff work, but I'm really curious if it drives. So I'm gonna check the tranny fluid, see how that's looking, and then put it in gear. All right, we're charging at 13. Let's grab that. Oh, it's on there. Yeah, she's good on tranny fluid. Nice. All right, she's good in transmission fluid too. So in theory, she should move. Let's see. All right, here we go. Whew. It's a little tight in here. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna go brake, reverse. Oh, it went in the reverse. Neutral, drive. Oh, it went in the drive too. Oh, it's trying to pull forward. Window works. All right, let's get that ramp out. Woo! He's running pretty good, guys. Despite sitting how long it's sat in the condition that it's in. Great buy.